Advice of when you should do shadow work is when you're full of ideas, full of frustration, emotions, and you just don't know what to do. You're feeling a certain type of way. These are the times that you are supposed to write things down. This is coming from your unconscious mind. So you're having a flush of hormones and a flush of ideas and a flush of emotions. It might seem like you're identifying them because you're angry or feeling what you're feeling. You haven't actually put words to what you're experiencing until you begin to start to journal these things as you feel them. If you're feeling great or normal and you try to trigger shadow work, it's going to be kind of difficult. However, when you're feeling a certain type of way about your baby mama or your baby daddy, from that point, when you start to journal, it becomes easy for you to just kind of write what you're feeling. And it's such a powerful thing because now you're able to put some words and put some actions and have some type of function in the form in reference to your frustration. You may have